Morning students, last we have completed the rectilinear figures and hope you are practicing the chapters properly, and we will be taking a test. Now we will be taking the test in the form of Google Forms, and will be more considered and more assignment will be given. Now we'll start with the simultaneous linear equations, but your one duty I'm giving to you, go through the syllabus of this chapter, how what are the things are there or not there. Okay, then after that we will be discussing about the syllabus also in the live class. Today for class 9 we are starting with this chapter. So this part you have done, that is forming an equation, means ax plus by plus c equals to 0. It is a linear equation in two variables format. Now here it is written a, b and c are real numbers and a and b are non-zero. That non-zero means what? These two numbers cannot be 0. It can be 1 or more than 1. It can be negative also. Now it is called general linear equation. Generally in this type of simultaneous linear equation, we will be having two equations. One is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Now first, there are four methods in this chapter. First two methods we will be doing now, that is the substitution method and elimination method. Substitution method and elimination method, I have taken the same example, but in the different method we will do. One will do by substitution method and one will do by elimination method, but what we will see that the answer of the value of x and y will be same. Now from here I have taken this example, that from here it is given, I have written C, as in the question it is given what, this one and this one is the first and second equation. From the second equation what I have done, I have transposed minus 2y into the right hand side, that is coming x equals to minus 3 plus 2y equal plus 2y, that is equation 3. Now what I have written, C, putting the value of x in equation 1. Suppose C, you are doing finding the value of this one from x. You cannot put the value of x in this equation only, you have to put the value in the other equation. Now if I take the from this equation to make it, then you have to find it, you have to put the value in the other equation. In the same equation, when I am forming the value of x or y, you cannot put the value in the same equation. You have to put in the different equation. See, now from here what I have written, putting the value of x in equation 1. In this equation 1, in place of x we know the value is what, minus 3 plus 2y. Then from here I have written what, 4 in bracket minus 3 plus 2y bracket close minus 3y equals to 8. Now opening the bracket, C, it will be minus 12 plus 8 minus 3y equals to 8, 5y equals to 8 plus 12, and from here cancelling out, then y value is coming what, 4. Now with this value y equals to 4, you can put any of the equation, either in equation 2, in 1 or equation 3, but it is better to put the value in 3. Why? As because it's already transposes over here, then you can easily put the value of y, so that you can get the value of x easily. See, I have shown over here also, putting the value of y in equation 3, then x equals to minus 3 plus 2y, you have got this equation 3 only. Now putting the value of y, that is y, 2 into 4, that is coming 8, then minus 3 plus 8, then x equals to 5. The final answer, you should write it down like this, that x equals to 5 and y equals to 4. Next we coming to elimination method. Elimination method means what? Anyhow we have to eliminate either x or y in any by making the coefficient same. Now in the same question I have taken written equation 1 and equation 2. Now see, in this part this x is given, here is 4. If I multiply whole equation by 4, then it will come 4x, 8y and minus 3. Then 4x will be matching this one. So for that purpose I have written multiplying equation 2 with 4 and subtracting it from equation 1. That means what? Say I have written from here, so this is the equation 2 I have written over here, multiplying with 4, it is coming 4x minus 8y equals to minus 12. That means that when you are multiplying both this equal to side, you have to multiply 4 with this one also and 4 with this one also. Okay, next we are coming to, now you have to subtract it. First you put the equation 1, I have put 4x minus 3y equals to 8. Now from here I have to put in this final, this equation, that is 4x minus 8y equals to 12, minus 12. Now during the subtract in the algebra also, what you have told, in the subtract always the sign will change. If it is given plus, it will be minus. If it is minus, it will be plus. Say it is given what, nothing is given, it is plus, then I have written what already here is minus. This is minus, this will be plus, this is minus, this will be also plus. Then from here, see, this is totally cancelling out. 4x 4 is cancelling out. Why? This is minus 4x, then this is plus 4x, then this will cancelling out. Then from here, minus 3y equals to 8, and again see minus 8y. That means we cannot take this minus, as because after changing you have to take this final sign only. That means what, minus 3y plus 8y, that is equals to 5y equals to 20. Why 20? 4 8 plus 12 is 20. They don't take this minus, this take this plus only. Next, after getting see y equals to 4 came. Now again same thing, any of the equation you put the value of y, you get the value of x. That x is coming 5 and y is also coming 4. In the last part, in the last method you have also done, see, it is coming what, y x equals to 5, y equals to 4. Same thing you also done from different method, but the answer also came same. Okay, I hope you have understood. If you're not, if you have any query, we'll be discussing in the live class also, but try to understand in the from the video only. Okay, till that, have a nice day, and I will be giving some homework also, okay, with this video. Goodbye.